sourdough doesn't take a lot of time. It's actually super simple. Here's how. Squish the loaf.
I know.
So this is the ready sourdough. I use a lot of sourdough in my recipe. A lot of happy sourdough, cuts on some time. Lukewarm water. If it's cold, the fermentation time is quite a lot longer. Make sure it's more or less one consistency. You can see all the bubbles in there. Now we add some flour. At some point you gotta get in touch with your bread. Nice and sticky. Don't be afraid of sticky. Sticky is a sign of stretchy bubbles and good building gluten. We let it wait here now for 15 minutes. Sea salt when you're fermenting is so important. Sea salt has no extra ingredients like iodine or anti-caking agents. And for this mini loaf, we want around 6-7 grams of salt. I'm gonna just wet my hand a little bit to help get salt mixed in there a little bit. The last 15 minutes, the gluten has built up. It's getting nice and stretchy. Wow, look at that. That's the magic of gluten. There we go, put it on the table. Stretching, folding, stretching, folding. Building up the gluten, it's like giving your bread a workout. We leave it for like another 10-15 minutes and then we do the last stretching and folding. This has been resting for the last 15 minutes. I wanna seal it so that it's this tight little ball for when we bake. And I'm just gonna roll it with my hands, use friction on the table. Now we have our bread basket. It's coated with some flour so that it just pops out easily. This is the top, this is the top. I'm just gonna put that in the fridge with a bag or a moist cloth so that it can rise overnight in the fridge. This, now you can direct where it rises in the oven. This is just a nice small loaf. Little baby bread in there. We're gonna add some steam. Put her in the oven. I put a bonus aubergine inside.
Oh, fun.
Thinking about dinner later. 30 minutes. Wow! Great!
That's cool.
Alright, we put it back in the oven for another 12 minutes. You never know with that bread art. This part we call the eyeliner. It's the most delicious thing to have fresh bread, but you shouldn't cut into it right away because it's technically still baking inside the loaf. So patience is a virtue. We won't cut into it for at least 20 minutes. Some miso butter. Don't go light on the butter.